That's okay.
You got it on that camera.
We probably already have it.
You got it on that camera.
We got it the other time, didn't we?
No, that's where everything blew up last time.
Oh. Was it over there? No, I'm just kidding. I'll get it this time.
Well, you got it from the other angle, and the other angle's probably the better one. Don't you dare.
POV shot. Yeah. What? I'm getting a POV shot. Kind of like right next to your head. Slightly uncomfortable, but that's okay. Because it's going in.
More than slightly.
No, it just doesn't come in. Yeah.
Very, very uncomfortable. After I push these bearings on, then we'll start to clean up all this.
It's a
We
bad
usually do that.
Terrible.
That's okay, because I have my little handy dandy piece of brass. Set these on. Forgot to grab the smaller ones.
Oh no. You know what I just realized? No, the cameras are different. This one's a movie type of shot. This one's just a full screen. Hopefully it converts.
I'm pretty sure you can convert it on the program itself.
Yeah, hopefully. Otherwise we'll have to do some zooming.
Zoom, zoom, zoom. Let me hear you say wayo.
I kind of like this. This is going good. Maybe I should change these. Move it to. This I like. So it works just fine. Right, Matt?
Yeah, sure.
This actually works.
Okay.
Is the camera in the shot? No, it's not. The camera's not in the shot. That's great. I like that. You can't see either camera in either shot. You can see the tripod in this one when you're not standing there. Interesting. I'll be your time limit. To build an entire spin limit. Can it be done? We do not know. We do not know. The crowd is going insane. Ah!
The crowd is filled with people who are insane. There's a man. He's eating someone.
Yeah. What's going on?
Why are the children crying? Oh. You don't want to know.
This I should be good.
No, that I didn't want on camera. One little move. Little. You see this? And the next year, I'm shaking what she's got. She was cool, she was red. I mean, she was singing.
I'm trying to get a good angle. Let me know when you're about to use the arbor press. That's still recording, right? Yeah. Stopped. That's okay. It's recording again.
Alright. Come on. Somebody being intrusive in your work area was a pain. Oh wait, I think most people could have guessed that. Hey man, review the video. It doesn't look intrusive. It's always nice when the camera can see what's happening better than the person who's actually doing the work.
At least you can watch the camera.
That's why I had to look at the camera because it was in my way.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
It's like trying to do something through a mirror.
That's great. Does it make you more productive?
What do you think?
Yes.
I'll kick you.
Technology is good for all.
I'll kick you.
Technology is good for all of us, right?
By all of us, you mean everybody but me, perhaps? Arbor press.
Doesn't go any lower?
Not when it's wrong.
I'm recording with two cameras. That way we get multiple. Yeah. So if I do this, that one still catches it. You know?
Alright, take two.
You're smart.
Except for the fact that he keeps getting in my way.
When I do stuff like that, he has to use the camera to see what he's doing. So I stopped doing that. Kind of.
I'm tired.
This is called the floater camera, by the way. That's the stable, this is the floater. If you want to use technical terms.
You want a floater? I'll show you a floater.
There we go. Now I can see what you're doing. This is actually a really good shot. This is a great POV.
Get in my way.
I'm just trying to help. I think I missed that.
Really? That's not what it looks like.